Hi. According to a Forbes article, 52% of US small businesses do not have a website. The reason is said to be that they find it difficult to start and manage. Another survey found that many entrepreneurs feel that lack of training for different skills is one of the main barriers they encounter for their web business. They routinely want to know how to customize WordPress website, use some of the top business plugins, create high-converting landing pages, make illustrative videos such as this one, write copies that convince the prospects, and lots more. They need all those skills to start a web business and also to improve and grow existing business. In practice, what happens is that each of these skills training costs a lot of money. And what makes things difficult for you is that you do not know how good your trainer is. Now you cannot deny that you will want multiple skills training, and in that case the total cost may be too much for you to afford, since you have to pay to different trainers to learn different skills from them. You might think how nice it would have been if you could learn all the essential web business skills from just one person, so that you'd pay much less fees for the skills training. Not only that, when you learn from one person, you will be able to assimilate things better and fast. And that in turn would enable you to boost your web business faster. Isn't that a great idea? Well, that is what you get from my coaching workshops. One place, one coach, multiple skills. Hi, my name is Partha Bhattacharya, and presently over 7,000 online students learn a wide variety of web business skills from me. I have also trained about 1,000 students offline on different aspects of their web business. Here are a few comments I have received from my students for some of my courses. June Hollister said, "Fantastic. I already know a great deal about PowerPoint, but I learned so much I never thought I could do. This is a great course, so worth taking. Thank you for such an educational course." Lisa Hernandez said, "Great course. I got a lot out of this material and found it very helpful. The lessons are clear and contained many tips that are easy to implement. This is the second course that I have taken from this instructor, and I look forward to any future ones he offers." Michael Lim said, "Expert guidance on search engine optimization. This course is great in explaining about SEO. The structure of the course has been well planned. Each lesson is presented with great clarity in a concise, right-to-the-point manner." Well, there are many more effusive comments like these for my courses. The nutshell is this: students get real value from my courses, and they are able to take action right away for the benefit of their business. The secret of my successful courses is that I create them myself 100%. As a result, the highly useful video lessons I make are not only practical, they are helpful, relevant, and proven to work. My coaching workshop gives you a unique advantage. For the first time, you can pick and choose the video lessons you want to learn and tailor your own unique course. This will allow you to discard the lessons you do not want to learn in a course. For example, tailor a course with 6 lessons from video making course, 5 lessons from WordPress course, and 5 lessons from the SEO course. Thus, the 16-lesson course is uniquely yours, which is full of value for your specific needs. I am sure this is an option you may get with only a handful of coaches. This is the time to chart the success story of your business. If you are a group of 5 or more, enroll in my group coaching course now. Plan your web business. Start from scratch by designing your own website. Structure your website for long-term business. Create high-converting landing pages for your website. Write SEO-optimized contents that bring traffic. Make training and marketing video that people love to watch. Create attractive visual contents for your website. And do much, much more. So why wait? Come now, join my coaching workshop today and boost your web business right away.